Okay, Sujal. So first of all, introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi panel. My name is Sujal Saran. I born and brought up in Tanakpur, Uttarakhand. I recently completed my class 12 in commerce stream. I scored 78.8 in best 5 subject. In class 10, I scored 89.6, and I also cleared the Scenic School entrance examination. I belong to a business family, and I also see myself as a business leader in future. And my hobbies are introspection and watching movie.
Okay. So I just checked your subjects. You are from the commerce stream, right?
Yes, ma'am. Commerce
Uh,
plus maths.
okay, with maths. Is it is it applied maths
Applied
or
maths.
okay? It's applied maths. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Applied maths.
Okay. So we'll start off with some acads then. If okay. So I am sure you are familiar with economics, right? You're okay if I ask you some questions for. Okay. So firstly,
Yes,
can you tell
ma'am.
me what is consumer surplus and producer surplus?
Okay, ma'am. Consumer surplus is a thing where consumer get benefited. He gets the value which is more valuable than his purchasing power.
Like, can you explain me through an example?
Okay, for example, I purchased this phone. This is of 10,000, but I am ready to pay 15,000 for it. So it's my consumer surplus.
So, how much is your
And
consumer
from the
surplus?
produce, I save 5,000 rupees.
Okay, and what about
That's
producer
my surplus.
surplus?
Yeah, the reverse of it is producer surplus as uh, I want to sell it for 10,000 and consumer is ready to buy it for 15. So the 5,000 which I earn is producer surplus.
Okay. Good. So, can you show me in a graph? Do you have a pen and paper? Can you show me what is the consumer surplus and producer surplus in a graph?
Ma'am, I'm not sure, but I will show try.
It's okay if you're not able to.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not sure, but I just take an assumption.
Uh,
This is this the price which I want to purchase at and the price which I
oh, what?
got the goods
Wait
at.
one second. So, your graph should consist of a supply and a demand curve. Do you know what is a supply and a demand?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yeah. So, based on after drawing the supply and a demand curve, you need to draw me the consumer and the producer surplus. Can you do that?
Okay.
It's okay. It's all right. Don't bother. Can you tell me what's the current GDP of India
It's 4.187 trillion.
and what is outstanding in global GDP ranking?
It's fourth position.
And is do you think the GDP is a good measure of our standard of living of any country?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because GDP does not consider the social aspects like the facilities provided by government and the place how much it is polluted things. Like if a person maintains a garden, we don't consider it on GDP, and the air of our atmosphere is very dirty, and we also not considering it in GDP. We only consider goods and services which are produced in a country.
Okay. And what is the current inflation rate in India?
It's 3.16%.
And is it a good rate?
Uh, the good rate is 2%. So I think it's not good, but it's fine. Means 2 to 4 is the good range of an inflation.
You are coming from a business family, right? Is inflation good for a business? For any business.
Okay, ma'am. In extreme inflation and the least inflation is not good. The balance inflation is the good thing.
Why so? Why is a 2% to 3%
Uh,
inflation is good for businesses?
okay. Okay, as we talk about 0% inflation, so in 0% inflation, people will not try to purchase the goods. Why so? Because they will not going to fluctuate too much. So it's good around in 2 to 4 inch.
I'm not very sure if what you answered. It's not that. It's okay. I think you said the right thing. And okay, and do you know what is the connection between inflation rate and the interest rate?
Interest rate regarding when bank interest.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not sure, but I think they both have.
Is is it a direct relation? Like is it a direct relation or does it have a positive relation or a negative relation?
Yeah, it have a inverse relation.
Is interest
I'm not sure, but I'm just taking a guess.
and who decides the interest rate in a country?
RBI.
RBI for us. What about for the US?
Uh, I'm not sure about US. It's sorry, ma'am.
So now I'll ask you some maths. Let me know if you have learned these concepts or not. So I'll start with very basics. Can you tell me the equation of a straight line?
Straight line.
Yes.
Y equals to X.
Y equals to x is one form of equation. What is the general equation for a straight
Sorry, ma'am.
line? Haven't you heard of y equals to mx plus c?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the equation for a straight
Actually, ma'am, I haven't recalled
line. Okay.
my slave mathematics.
Okay. And have you learned integration and differentiation?
Yeah, ma'am, I learned, but I'm not good in those chapters.
Can you differentiate, for example, 3x squared?
Okay. We can differentiate it with product rule. First, 3 will become 0, so it will whole 0, then plus, then 3 to x. It will be 6x.
Is x, right? So have you learned probability?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not good in advanced probability, which is in
No, no. It's
11th
very
and 12th.
basic probability that I'm
Okay,
going to
ma'am.
ask you. So let's say you have two fair dices, the dice that you use to when you are playing Ludo. So you have two fair dices. So what's the probability that their sum is going to be greater than 4?
Ma'am, can I take some time?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
11 by 12.
Okay, all right. So, you said you come from a business family, right? Can you
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what business your family is?
Okay, in the starting, my father used to be a tailor, but with the help of Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana, he, uh, uh, what I say, set up a small scale factory in which we produce clothes for school uniform.
Okay. So, how do you see your father's business grow in 5 years down the line, given the situation that's happening in, India with various schemes coming in and some kind of progress going on? Where do you see your father's business in the next 5 years?
Okay, can I take some time?
Yeah, sure. You may say,
Uh, can I start? Okay, as we know, our governments are helping too much in manufacturing sector. So for sure, my dad business is going to be very much competitive in upcoming years. So I think for that, my father business needs to be become adaptable as market moves or fluctuate. And for that, which I think which will be beneficial, the goodwill, the market name which my father established in the market. Set up our industry is easy, but maintaining your name is very hard. So I think for sure my father's network will help in upcoming 5 years through which is going to be competitive, and that will help us to survive in the business.
uh, let's say hypothetically, India goes on a war with, let's say, China in the next year. What will be your contingency plan? What will be the backup plan that you will, because it's going to disrupt the whole supply chain, and there will be very reduced, there will be a very reduced optimism about business overall due to the war. So what will be a backup plan that you think you can advise your father in that kind of situation?
Ma'am, actually, I don't have an answer for that, but I believe our country's defense system is too good, and our relation with other countries are also good. So we don't going to see that kind of situation. But if that happen, for that, for that, I don't know any answer for that situation.
Okay, no problem. So you come from Uttarakhand, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who is the current CM of Uttarakhand?
Okay, current CM is Mr. Pushkar Singh Dhami, and he is MLA of my district.
Okay, and who is the governor?
Gurmeet Singh.
Okay. So, can you tell me what exactly is a governor's role in the state affairs?
Mm, I'm not sure, but what I know about governor is he is the head of state, and I think he helps CM while taking oath, and of course he has some work to do, but I'm not sure uh, in
Was
which.
the
Uh,
governor of high importance at some period of time in India?
yeah, during election time when there is no CM for a state, at that time I think governor controls the whole state, the decision of the states.
Okay. Can you name me the neighboring states to Uttarakhand?
Okay, first one is Uttar Pradesh, and another one is Haryana,
Okay.
and a mountain region touched with Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, nice. So, Uttarakhand is famously known as land of gods.
Hmm.
Why is it?
Why is it? Uh, it is known as ma'am, because uh, Uttarakhand have four prestigious dham of Hindu religion, and in every mountain they have their own particular gods. For every new village, we have a new god, and Pahadis of Uttarakhand believe too much in worship. That's why I think Uttarakhand is known as a place of God.
And can you name me some famous pilgrimage sites in Uttarakhand?
Uh, as temple wise,
Yes.
okay, first one we all know Kedarnath, Badrinath, and Haridwar. And one is in my own city, Tanakpur, which is Purnagiri. This mainly consists the worshippers of Uttar Pradesh. And we have Rishikesh, Yognagiri, and Almora, Mukteshwar Dham, and Nainital Kachi Dham.
Okay. Have you visited any of these?
Yeah, I visited most of them.
And what was the most spectacular thing about any of the one temple that you have visited?
Ma'am, when I visited, we don't have that much digitalized. Nowadays, people only visit for getting social validation. In past time, it used to be peace, visiting temples. I love the Kachi Dham most. Why so? Because it's situated in the bank of a river, and it's situated on mountain, and the place is very quiet. It's very great for doing meditation. It's kind of ashram type, and I love doing introspection. I love knowing about myself. That's why Kachidam is the best place.
Okay, so can you, okay, now coming to some different area. So can you tell me some of your hobbies? You mentioned it in the beginning. I don't recall it. So can you repeat your
Okay,
hobbies?
uh, as much, ma'am, I don't have much hobbies, but when I don't have focus or energy to study, then I do introspection or watch movies.
Watch movies?
Yeah, watch movies for English vocabulary, for English movies mainly.
So you have watched English movies. Can you name some of
Yeah, I watched both movies, but in my preparation time, I used to watch English movies because
do you
that's
think,
going to help me thinking in English.
right, so do you think watching English movies actually improve your vocabulary?
Yeah, of course, ma'am, because as much as could I speak Hindi, that's all about because of my environment. If I born and brought up in an English environment, of course, I will have a great range of vocabulary. So, of course, English environments help. So,
So
English movie gives me
what
an
was
English environment.
what was one of the favorite movies that you have watched?
Okay, favorite movies. English movie.
Yeah, anything.
Okay, my favorite movie for now is Criminal Injustice, which helped me knowing from the other's perspective, from different perspective of one particular thing.
So Sujal, you want to be part of the IPM curriculum, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can you tell me why you want to be, why IPM and management?
Okay, ma'am, IPM gives me an edge to do MBA with my BBA. That's the first thing. And other thing, as I belongs to business family, and almost I tried every field, and I get to know that I'm not suitable for that field, and that field. And in the end, I think I want to explore myself. So that's why I think IPM program will help me doing that because it's a diverse program and it's very rigorous. It will make me strong academically, and I am for sure help me with its alumni network.
And what do you think are your strengths and weaknesses which can associate with IPM? Like, how can you associate your strengths? Leave weaknesses for now, but how can you associate your strengths with IP and its curriculum?
Okay, my strengths are thing from a diverse perspective, and as we know, IPM gives us a psychology subject. So I
I'm
think
asking about
it
I'm asking about your strengths and how you would connect it to management and I and why it's
okay,
relevant.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I want to see things from different perspective, and I want to explore myself. And IPM gives me that opportunity. So I think IPM will be best for me because it will open a lot of opportunities for me.
Give me two reasons why I should select you for I.
Why? Sorry, ma'am, I haven't prepared for this question.
Okay, you can just try
But
first time.
okay, but for now, I can say that I'm very hungry for success, and for sure, I will. For sure, IPM will. For sure, IM will help me to achieve my dreams.
There are people
The
who have
dreams which,
succeeded who have not even visited college. Why do you need IPM
yeah,
or management for
of course, they succeeded. I agree with them. But if I have an opportunity to study in a prestigious colleges like I am, why shouldn't I grab that? If I don't have the opportunity to uh, pursue my education from IM, of course I will try to do the same thing from another institute. But of course, IM has its own value than any other institute.
okay, and one reason why I should not be
Why you should not select? Oh, okay. Why you should not select you? I think you should not select me because I'm not well much prepared.
you believe you're not well prepared.
Uh, I believe I am prepared, but I think I am not the perfect one. I am prepared, but not the best one. I think I there are a lot of many people who are better than me, but I am prepared. I give my best.
Okay. Okay, Shujal, we will end the recording here. So, just 15 seconds.